K&N High-Flow Air Filter. The last air filter you'll ever buy. Your engine is suffocating, and it's time to set it free. Unlike cheap, disposable filters that choke airflow, the K&N High-Flow Air Filter boosts air intake by up to 50%, helping your engine breathe better and work smarter. More air means more horsepower, quicker acceleration, and smoother throttle response, all without the constant need for replacements. Whether you're pushing limits on the highway or coasting through city streets, you'll feel the instant performance boost. Say goodbye to sluggish drives and hello to peak engine efficiency, because your car deserves better, and so do you. Why keep shelling out cash for disposable filters that barely last? The K&N High-Flow Air Filter is designed to outlive 10 traditional filters, saving you hundreds of dollars over the life of your vehicle. With a washable, reusable design, you only need to clean it once every 75,000 miles, meaning fewer replacements and less hassle. Forget about constant trips to the auto shop, just install it once and enjoy long-term savings. It's a one-and-done investment that pays for itself, making it one of the easiest, most cost-effective upgrades for any driver. Dumping disposable filters into landfills? Not anymore. The K&N High-Flow Air Filter isn't just a performance booster, it's a greener, smarter choice. Made with premium materials and cutting-edge construction, this filter is built to last a lifetime. Unlike competitors, K&N tests its products on the world's toughest racetracks, proving they can handle extreme conditions. And with a 10-year per million-mile limited warranty, you get peace of mind knowing this filter is in it for the long haul. When it comes to durability, reliability, and long-term value, no other filter even comes close. Forget complicated installs, this is performance made simple. The K&N High-Flow Air Filter is pre-oiled and ready to drop into your factory air box in just minutes. No tools, no mechanic, no stress, just a quick swap and you're good to go. Its precision-engineered fit ensures a perfect match for your Toyota, Lexus, or Mitsubishi, making installation a frustration-free experience. Unlike other so-called performance parts that require expensive modifications, this filter delivers immediate benefits with zero hassle. You'll feel the difference the moment you hit the gas, no tuning required. Millions of drivers have already upgraded to K&N, and now it's your turn. Whether you want better airflow, more power, or simply an upgrade that lasts, this is the filter your engine deserves. Say goodbye to clogged, restrictive paper filters and hello to a lifetime of better performance. If you care about power, efficiency, and long-term savings, there's no better choice. Why waste money on replacements when you can buy once and enjoy forever? Upgrade today and experience the K&N difference, because your car was built for more.